Namaste, food enthusiasts. Today, we're on a flavorful journey through Indian cuisine, focusing on bitter gourd, known for its acquired taste and incredible health benefits. For those hesitant about bitter gourd, worry not. We'll not only uncover its nutritional treasures but also introduce delightful alternatives that suit your taste buds. Let's discover the health and flavors of bitter gourd and more. Unknown and interesting facts about bitter gourd. Origins and varieties. Did you know bitter gourd is believed to have originated in India? It comes in various shapes and sizes, from the small Indian variety to the long Chinese bitter gourd. Culinary versatility. Bitter gourd is remarkably versatile in the kitchen. From curries to stir-fries, stuffed dishes, and even juices, its bitterness adds a unique flavor to many cuisines. Traditional medicine. In traditional medicine, bitter gourd has been used for centuries to treat varroa. Rich in micronutrients, bitter gourd, or Karela in Hindi, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's brimming with vitamins A, C, and an array of B vitamins, along with essential minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. Blood sugar regulation. For individuals dealing with blood sugar concerns, bitter gourd can be a game changer. Compounds in bitter gourd help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition to their diet. Supports digestive health. Bitter gourd aids in digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes. Its fiber content assists in a healthy gut and can help relieve constipation. Alternatives to bitter gourd. Zucchini. Zucchini, or tori, is a fantastic alternative with a milder taste. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. You can use it in various dishes like stir-fries, curries, or even grill it. Spinach. Spinach, or palak, is versatile and nutritious. It's an excellent source of iron and calcium. You can add it to dals, make saag, or blend it into smoothies. Balancing health and taste is the essence of Indian cuisine. Whether you choose the robust bitterness of bitter gourd or opt for alternatives, each choice contributes to a well-rounded diet. Balancing health and taste is the essence of Indian cuisine. Whether you choose the robust bitterness of bitter gourd or opt for alternatives, each choice contributes to a well-rounded diet. Like and subscribe. If you found this exploration of flavors and health enlightening, do hit the like button and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Your support keeps us inspired to share more. Thank you.